and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to create a beautiful string art board decoration using a wooden board, some nails and golden thread. Of course, you can choose any thread color you like. I'm sure the final result will look amazing. First, we need a wooden board. The size is completely up to you. We will also need some of nails like this. For our design, the first step is drawing your design on the board. This is the pattern I choose for my project. Next, carefully hammer the nails along the outline of your design, placing them very close to one another. As you can see, I attach the nails around the pattern using a hammer. Okay, now I color like gold for base my pattern. Now comes the fun part, creating the design we third. Start by tying a square knot around one of the nails, then waving the thread from nail to nail. Continue passing the thread between the needles in an organized way. Pull the thread from the bottom toward the top and gradually build up the design. To give the flower a more elegant and realistic look, try the third central point like this. As the threads come downward, make sure they angle slightly toward the center. Paying attention to these details will make the final artwork look much more polished. Keep repeating this process until the entire area in cover this thread. And that's it. Your beautiful string art piece is complete. In the image I'm showing you now, you can see some larger version of this design. You can create bigger piece or combine multiple design to make a stunning wall decoration for your home. Don't forget to share this video with your friend, like and comment and subscribe to my channel.